How to enable 2FA on Fortnite PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable 2FA on Fortnite PC. Go to epicgames.com/id/login/epic in a web browser. You can use a desktop or mobile browser. Then log in with your Epic Games account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. You can also use this account to cross-play with friends. If you play on PlayStation, then sign up with an account for PlayStation Network. If you play on Xbox, select Sign up with Xbox Live. If you play on Switch, select Sign up with Nintendo account. Hover over your account name. This will be in the top right corner. Then click Account. You can find this in the drop-down menu. Now click Password and Security. This will be on the left panel. Underneath Transactions, a new page will open. After that, select a 2FA option. You will find this below the two-factor authentication header. Select any of the following. Use a third-party authenticator app. When you sign in, you will be required to use the security code provided by the app. Use your phone. When you sign in, you will be required to use the security code sent to you via SMS message. Use your Epic Games account's email address. When you sign in, you'll be required to use the security code sent to your email address. Verify the 2FA method. The process will vary depending on each method. Install an authenticator application. Scan the QR code on the screen, and then enter your security code. Now enter your phone number and click Send Code. Enter the verification code. Enter the security code sent to the email used to create your Epic Games account. Log out of your account. Now click your account name in the top right corner and click on Sign Out. You can now play Fortnite. You'll be prompted to verify your login with your 2FA method. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.